Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your new Rogers SIM card in just a few easy steps. First, insert your Rogers SIM card into your phone's SIM slot. You'll usually find it on the side or back of your device. Use the SIM ejector tool if needed. Next, turn on your phone. When it powers up, you might be asked to enter your SIM PIN, which you can find on the packaging that came with your SIM card. Once entered, your device should automatically connect to the Rogers network. You'll be then ready to make calls, send texts, and use mobile data. If your SIM doesn't activate right away, visit rogers.com/activate and follow the on-screen steps to complete the activation. And that's it. Your Rogers SIM card is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.